Hey guys, come on into my kitchen. I'm going to be making some homemade taco nacho salad. Oh yeah. You guys saw me do that challenge, the 222 challenge by the mukbang bulls and lips. You guys saw us eating it. Well, I'm going to take you through on how I made it. Oh yeah, baby. Where my oh yeah baby's at. These are the ingredients. I'll be adding some more different ones, but you'll see me as I do it. We have 4 pounds of ground beef. Oh yeah, just a little 4 pounds, but we got 4 pounds. And we're gonna go ahead and get that meat in the pot, and we're gonna fry it down. Now, as we fry this down, we're going to be adding our seasonings to this ground beef. The first seasoning we're going to be adding is going to be some fajita sauce. It's a dry sauce pack. I'm going to be adding black pepper, the table ground black pepper, so it's a little more coarser than regular black pepper. I'm going to be adding a couple of sprigs of the sea salt, probably about 1 tablespoon of sea salt. We're going to be adding the fajita mix I mentioned earlier. We're going to add some Worcestershire sauce. And as you guys are seasoning, you can season as per your taste. This is just what I use as my seasoning for my taco meat. And now we're going to be adding half a chopped onion. And we're going to also be adding 1 sprig of the green onion chopped. Now with the taco seasoning, just add as per your taste. We're just adding more of the taco seasoning. All right, so now we've drained all of that grease that came from the meat. As you see, there's none in the pot now. Now we have a packet of taco sauce that we're going to be adding to this. And once we add that taco sauce, we're going to give it a final stir, and then we will start building our taco salad. As you can see, I've already cut 2 avocados and sliced them in half. We have the red, yellow, and orange sweet mini peppers, and we have our tortilla shells chips. We have the sour cream, and we have the picante sauce. And once that's all done and everything's been added and topped off, guess what you have? You have a taco nacho salad. Oh, yeah. Made Sheila's Creations way. You guys hit me up in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Let me know if you want to try it. And let me know if you want to become family and be one of my oh, yeah, babies. Oh, yeah. This is an awesome salad. You can make it with your children. You can make it with your family. At home, it makes a large serving. So have fun, have fun, have fun. Oh yeah. Thank you again, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and get all my notifications on every time I drop a video, because I drop a video every day. Oh yeah.